Before using a rubric, you will need to attach it to an activity. This tutorial will teach you how to attach rubrics to discussions. First, go to the discussion you want to add a rubric to. Click on the vertical three-dot menu button on the top right. Then, click on the Show Rubric menu option. A menu for creating a new rubric will appear if one has not been added already. It has the same functionality as the process of creating a new rubric as detailed in the Creating a Rubric tutorial in the ATD Faculty Resources site. A link to the tutorial can be found in the video description below. To add an already created rubric for the course, click on the Find a Rubric link on the top right of the menu. In the Find Existing Rubric menu, select the current course name in the first column to see rubrics made for the current course. In the second column, select the name of the rubric you wish to add. In the last column, you can review the rubric. Make sure it looks correct. When you are done reviewing the rubric and are sure it's the one you want to use, scroll down and click on the Use this rubric button. The rubric should now be attached to the discussion. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials as well as how to reach out to ATD with any questions or any assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.